Hey everybody. Oy, sorry, I might shake the camera. I just got my kit from Mercy Tiara Kits. This is the new one. I haven't even seen it yet. So I thought I would pop it open and share with you guys what it is. I'm actually really excited about this. I'm still playing with this last kit. I really am really enjoying this one. It's Happy Homes. I did a video that I didn't get to share because when I went back and looked at it to go edit it, the whole thing was out of focus. Drives me nuts. That's like the third or fourth time that's happened. I don't know why. But I'm looking into cameras and stuff like that because it's bugging me. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and open this. Look. Okay, I am going to take that one out though because it has my address on it. So like you see, I haven't opened it yet. Here we go. I'm going to fold that up to the side. I know it makes a lot of noise. I am really sorry. But I like to try to use as much of this as I can. And I love these bags. I actually have a friend that is in a card group with me that left a comment on one of my videos. I didn't realize she didn't know that I had a YouTube channel. But I do. I like to reuse as much of the stuff as possible, layering or packaging other things or whatever so that there's little, less and less waste. So yeah, I am going to start with the main kit, and this is called Winter Glow. I like that. So, okay, and I'm a big goofball, and I know it, and I'm okay with it. So hopefully y'all are too because you're here. I love reusing these bags as well. I'm going to start with the papers. Look at that. That is so pretty. I'm going to move that for a second. And I'll move that. I always have issues. Anyways, that's gorgeous. I love that. Oh my gosh. I love this. I've seen some pictures of this collection, the Simple Vintage Fresh Snow, online. But I hadn't really I don't know. It's completely different in person. I love that. That is gorgeous. Okay, let's see. This is Echo Park. That is so pretty. The little snowflakes tucked in. This one's called Snowed In. Ooh, I love that too. Great layering paper. A great background too. Oh, look, it's like a sweater. That's so cute. I like that. Oh, and cut aparts. If you know me, I love me a cut apart because I can use these for different things. Man, I need to go to a cabin. That's awesome. And so what the weather says, we're supposed to get snow before too long. I am super stoked about that, hoping that happens. I doubt we get enough to go sledding. But you know what? I'm so looking forward to it. I hope we get it though. Okay, this one is from Snowed In as well. That's too cute. I love the little wolf and the bear and the bunny. Ooh, but I love that green. Okay, so I'm seeing a theme. I'm loving the blues and the greens. Here is another Snowed In. Ooh, I really, really like that. Ooh, and another cut apart. What? Okay, yeah, so super excited. Now I have a problem. I think I got the pattern paper add-on. I did. Yay! So I don't have to pick and choose because I really like the other side too. So yay, I'm super, super excited about that. Then there's this one. How cute. For some reason, that made me think of s'mores. It's a sled. Yeah, I guess my brain is on snacks. But we also do more s'mores in the winter too. So, and I have my boots and my sweaters. Ooh, I love that navy. That's gorgeous. Okay, so this is a little different. This brings a little bit of pink in, and that's great. This is Echo Park, chilling with my snowmies. So there's a little pink there, and then there's the little mittens. I would probably go more with that one. Ooh, oh, I see fussy cutting in my future. Absolutely love this. This is from Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Fresh Snow as well. I might need to go buy more of this. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love that plaid, but look at those flowers. Those are gorgeous. Yeah, I'm going to say I'm going to probably be fussy cutting something. Again, super, super glad I have the paper pattern paper add-on. Words backwards. Here's this. This is from Cartabella, and it's Winter Wonderland. Very cute pieces. I love the little bits of yellow added in. Ooh, that's a gorgeous green too. Oh, and then there's a stripe. I love a stripe. I love a pattern paper, period. Okay, I like patterns. Love this stripe. It's gorgeous. There's some more of that red and corally color added in there. And then there's penguins. And they got little hats on and scarves. So stinking cute. Okay, let's see. 2 more papers. Snowflakes. Also awesome. Love the snowflakes. Oh, and a little more of the red and coral popped in there. And then this one has more of the red, and I love that. It's a perfect winter by Echo Ranch. And then the other side is this little pattern with the snowflakes and stuff. But I really actually like the pop of red that's been brought in there. And then look at that. You get this simple vintage fresh snow 12 by 12 sticker sheet. These are cardstock stickers. I love it because it comes with a border piece and then all these words. And then look, little snowflakes, flowers, just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so that is the pattern paper from the kit. That's just from the main part. Let me see. I'm fixing to go ahead and grab the embellishments here in a second. I do try to keep my stuff put back to where they belong. It doesn't always stay that way. The regular pattern paper and stuff will probably end up mixed in with it. But yeah, that's kind of how it ends up being. Again, love these envelopes. They can be totally used in your scrapbooking. It's cold outside is what, hey, I got stuff on. That's what happens when I do mixed media. But it says it's cold outside. That is so stinking cute. I love that. The color is fantastic for this. So that will end up out of this envelope, and I will peel the sticker off because then I can use it for a pocket or something like that on one of my layouts. And the stickers come off quite easily. So that's awesome for me. I love that. There's that piece there. Ooh, look at the winter mix. Oh, and those ones kind of look like snowflakes. I guess I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but oh, that is so cute. There's a texture on some of these, and that's what made me think of snowflakes. Love the colors, gorgeous. Lots of silver in this one. I'm loving that as well. You know, I've got other sprays that will work with that too. Look at these stickers. How cool is that? How have I not seen these? Are these new? Like new. These are super cute. I really like these. The ombre effect and the paper in the back can totally be used for a layer. And it's on both sides. So, absolutely love those. I'm gonna put those right there. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I love the Echo Park stuff here, but I saw these. And I love these. Ooh, and a cool thing is, like this paper right here, you can actually use it to go ahead. You can wrap something else in it or slide a mini album in or whatever to give it as a present. But they work pretty well for shaker pockets too. So I think that's pretty awesome. If I'm not mistaken, these are $49 at Market, and I love them. I have packages upon packages of $49 at Market in my stash that have just like these, the film strips. I love them. I used one recently on a layout that I did with my stash scrapping. So I will be using these for sure. I love these. I love the colors they come in. The fact that it brings a little more of that coral into the collection is awesome. So let me put that back in there. And then I'll just reuse this bag for something too. So that works for me. And then it also comes, this is again, like I said, all of this is in from the main kit. So it comes with the whole pack of ephemera from Snowed In. So it's got a cute little checklist. I mean, there's going to be a ton of different pieces. And again, something I always love about Echo Park is the fact that they've got the frames, but the insides have something else. I love using the frames. I've used quite a few frames from the kit that I'm using right now. And I love that. See, there we go. That one pops out too. Look at the little, I don't have a cabin. I don't plan on going to the cabin, but I'm going to find some way to use it. I'm sorry for what I said when it was summer. I mean, they just always say some cute little things. This one says cozy. Oh, this is a 2-piecer. Okay. So there's that. And then it's got like these little, where are you at? I'm trying to find my poker. It's got these little pieces that come out from down here. So it's kind of a little, come on now. There you go. So that's cute. But yeah, I'm not going to go through all of these. They're gorgeous, as you can see, more frames and stuff like that. So I love it. I'm going to put that off to the side. So now, I think I get the air out of that one. So that is the main kit, okay? I'm going to set that to the side. And I am fixing to, let's see. Let's go with the embellishment add-on, because I see more acrylic pieces. So, oh my gosh, there's felt too. What? Okay, let me get these out of here. Sorry. Words really aren't wording for me today. Little beady pieces. Okay, so these ones, that's a white. That one is like shimmery and shiny. This one is almost see-through. Oh, that one's shiny too, like that. And so is that one. These are felt, you guys. Just a cute, another great texture for a layout. Oh my gosh, they're so, look at how teeny. And then there's some sequin ones, snowflakes in blue. Oh, I love those. I cannot wait to use. Oh, and there's a teeny tiny one right there too. Come on, you can come out. Look it. I love it. Okay, let me put those back in there. Oh, those are so stinking cute. I absolutely love them. And then you get this whole thing of adhesive brads. So it does have some like chipboard pieces on it too, which I love. The cute little guy down here, the penguin, and then the snowman. I want to go ice skating. We'll have to figure that one out here. I want to take the kids ice skating. That'd be fun. I did it when I was younger. And then we've got the adhesive brads. This one says chill. I think actually that's the only one that says anything. So that's pretty cool. Lovely colors. They'll go great with everything. So I'm going to stick that right up here. Look, we got Pebbles silver little alphas. Oh, I love that. He's cute too. I'll probably cut him out and reuse him on something else. I actually have some of that collection in my stash. But these are going to be awesome with these. And the colors that are in the kit. Oh, the sequins that... Oh, look at all the sequins go with it too. Oh, I love it. Okay, so I'm getting ideas. Oh, wow. We get 2 sets. Look at all these frames. These are all chipboard frames. How adorable. I love that. And then you get the little mountains. Sorry for the sniffles, y'all. The snowflakes, the little leaves and trees. Oh, I love that little A-frame house. That's too cute. So those all come in the ephemera pack. I'm not sure why I'm sticking this in there because really they're not going to stay there, just to be honest. And then let's see, we're going to do the cardstock add-on really quick. Let me see here. Like I said, I haven't seen any of this, so this is all new to me as well. Oh yay, I saw something. Okay, so these are basil. Let's see, it's just white cardstock. So there's 2 in that, and it's smooth. That's smooth cardstock. And then I love this one because it's shiny. I don't know if you can tell it. So it's like oh, I forgot what it was called, but it's a basil. And it says sparkle. So it's got the little shiny to it. I love that. And then there is this navy, and it's basil. It is moody blue. And then there is this one, and it's called Quicksand. And there's 2 of each of them. I really am loving these colors. They're perfect with what is going on with this whole kit. So those are going to be perfect for that. Sorry, people are coming in and out of the house, so you might hear some things a little bit here and there. Again, something else I do keep. I do not throw these away. They go great for making pockets. Actually, I think one of them is going to go in on a Valentine's Day envelope for my daughter for her class. So we'll see about that. And then this is something you guys have already seen. That's kind of why I waited till last with it. This is just the pattern paper add-on. So it's going to be a second one of each of the papers from the main kit. My brain is not working. So you'll have seen all of these. This was the back side of this one. So I'll turn them over here in a second. But I'm going to go ahead and lay them all out here again really quick. And you'll see them in just a second, and I'll flip them. Again, I'm super, super excited that we get, you know, the pattern paper add-on, because then I don't have to pick and choose really, because I like to fussy cut so much. I don't have to pick and choose. what I fussy cut and what I don't. So thank you to Tracy and Scott for that. They're amazing. So this is the other side. Seriously though, so loving this one still. But I love all these papers. They're gorgeous. So I would suggest going and grabbing your kit as soon as possible before they sell out, because they tend to do that. Tracy and them try to make sure to get them back in as well. But make sure to check out the links below so you can check out the shop. Come join us on Facebook, follow on Instagram. Yeah, so that you can get involved. There's always a sketch, so that, or at least we always try to have a sketch up in the Facebook group so you can participate. It's always a blast. And usually if you follow, we'll post our links in the Facebook group as well. So when we do process videos with the kits, you can go ahead and see those as well. So I really hope you enjoyed this. I am off to craft. I hope you have a great day. Bye.